Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Michael, and welcome to MS FITZ'S Adventures. Dione is at work, and I'm actually at where she's working right now. Yeah, this is a place called Big Bend Resort. This is the Colorado River. Goes up and around that way. Goes all the way down. She's working at the restaurant and arcade. I'm going to go in and have a burger. Pretty damn good burgers and cheap. So, yeah. That's the 95 away and the heck out that way. That's pretty cool right in here. Let's go inside. So this is the restaurant and arcade, and they do have a nice deck on the outside. So let's check this out.
Special preview of Rock and Roll Hall of Fame Radio continues. Classic Rewind returns Monday.
So this is the arcade. And let's see who's over here. Hi, what you doing today?
Putting groceries away.
Yeah, I just went grocery shopping.
Did you?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yep. So this is where you work.
Yes.
There's the arcade over that way.
Yep.
There's the grill. They got big old pizzas. They got a great venue here, right?
Yes.
Huh. You got some great stuff here. Got beer and everything. Wine. Cool. Well, you better get back to working because you got to make me a hamburger.
You want cheese?
Yeah, what kind?
Bacon? You want pepper jack, Swiss, provolone, American?
Pepper jack.
Bacon?
Bacon, no.
Avocado?
Sure. No.
Okay.
I wanted just a cheeseburger. Cool?
You want fries?
No fries, thank you. Look, they got hand-dipped ice creams. Hell yeah. They got big gulps too. T-shirts. All sorts of stuff.
Soda?
Beer. What do they have on tap? IPA, Stone. Yeah. This place takes all the business away from where she works, so she had to come here to work. Makes sense, right? Got some good prices. Anyways, let's see. Set the camera down here.
It's gonna be $9.14.
Here you go, young lady.
Pepper jack cheese?
Pepper jack cheese. So you're working on the counter today?
No.
Oh.
Tip, yes or no?
Neat. Take it out.
Yep. You need a signature, your receipt.
How long does it take?
I don't know.
Okay.
And table number 40, we'll find you.
So our number is 40. And for a beer and all that with a tip, it's $14. That wasn't too bad. What do you think? Let's go sit outside someplace. Thank you. So we're sitting in here at River Bend Resort, right here on the Colorado River. And Dione's the cook today, and she'd made me a burger with no onions and tomatoes and some pickles and with pepper jack cheese. Pretty darn good. It's a really good burger. Burger and beer on a Sunday. I'm going home in a little bit and watching some football. Here's a toast to Sundays, football, and being here at Big Bend Resort. Beautiful, beautiful place. We're going to take a drone ride around the park here, and just to show you what it's like here in a minute. But I'm going to finish my sandwich first. That was very good. Somebody always says that you wouldn't like it, but no, you would like it. It's excellent. Good burgers, cheap. They don't come with French fries, it's just a burger. Burger's $5.99, and it's good meat, good size, filling. $1 beer with it, can't go wrong. Big Bend River Resort. Let's go take a look at it with the drone. It's called Big Bend Resort, and that's their office right there. Their store is in the deli. The deli is where Dione is working, their little restaurant. It pretty much, it has an arcade inside. Well, you see. Anyways, yeah, really nice. So the Colorado River is just on the other side. Here's storage for them way over there. So yeah, quite the sight here. Really nice place. Quiet too. Summertime, this place is really probably very, very busy with weekenders and different things because they are on the Colorado River.
you.